Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I would like to introduce myself. My name is RASHA ADINDA Kaila. I'm from Junior High School 1 Banguntapan. Today, I want to tell you how to make cheese bread dessert. The ingredients are 500 milliliters of plain milk, 40 grams of sweetened condensed milk, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 100 grams of grated cheese, 100 grams of chocolate chip, 30 milliliters of water, 120 milliliters of instant coconut milk, and 6 slices of white bread. Next, how to make cheese bread dessert. First, dissolve cornstarch with water. Second, add milk, sweetened condensed milk, coconut milk, cornstarch solution, sugar, salt into a saucepan. Third, cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until there are no lumps. Fourth, add grated cheese. Continue to cook until the solution boils. Turn off the heat, then stir again. Fifth, prepare a food containers. Put the white bread in it, then pour the cheese sauce on top of bread. Put the white bread again, and then pour with the cheese sauce again. Sixth, sprinkle grated cheese and chocolate chip as a topping. Seventh, put it in the fridge for about 3 hours. And finally, cheese bread dessert is ready to serve. Okay everyone, that's the recipe for today. Thank you for your attention. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.